Hi, welcome to another video section. In today's lesson, we are going to look at how to use the group policy management to set some policy on your client machine. Specifically, we are going to look at using the server to set a desktop on the client account. So I have an image that I'm going to deploy on the client machine, which is this an image file here, and then the file extension is JPEG. So I will exit from the folder and then come to, so I have the folder actually existing under my drive C here. So what I will do is I will just right click on the folder, then I will go to properties. So under the properties, we can see we have sharing. So go to sharing, then we come here, the advanced sharing. So when we click on advanced sharing, we have this share this folder, check the box. Then we have permissions. So we click on the permissions here, and we can see that it's set to everyone. So what we will do is I will remove everyone, and then I will modify the name. So I will remove everyone from here, then I'll click on add. I will add authenticated users. So I will just type authenticated users. Then I'll click on this button, which is check names. So the name indeed exists, so I'll just click on OK. So the next thing that I will do is I will just click on apply, then I'll click on OK. So the OK will bring me back here, so I'll just click on OK once again. Okay, then we can see, don't forget, this is what we will need. We will need this part, the network part, to this shared folder. So we will need this. We will also need the name of that. So the next thing that we will do is I am on the server. All these things that I'm doing on the server, so don't forget. So I'll close my file explorer, then I'll go to my server manager. I'll go to tools, then I'll search for group policy management, click on it. Then when it's done, we have to expand. So let me minimize the so they will expand the forest, then we will also expand the domains. What we need is this one, can also expand, and when we expand the domain, this is what we have. We have this default domain controller, etc. here. I'll just right click on the domain, then I'll click on this one, create a GPO in the domain, and link it here. So I'll just select and then provide the name. So I will name this one dev desk. I'll use the name dev desk. Then I'll click on OK. So now we can see that the file or the GPO has been created, the link. So we have to edit this one. Right click and then we're going for edit. Now when we click on it, it takes us to the group policy editor. So under this group policy editor, we will stick to the users or the user configuration. Then we will also expand the policies. Now under policies, we will expand the administrative template. So if I drag it a bit to my right hand side, we have that. So I will expand the administrative template. Then we have the desktop here. I will expand the desktop. The desktop, we have Active Directory, we have desktop, so I'll select the desktop. So this is what we have here: enable, active, disable, prohibit, etc, etc. We can see what here we have the desktop wallpaper. So we just double click on it, desktop wallpaper. So we need to enable, so we select enable. Then it says we need to provide a name. So what name do you want to use? I didn't copy the part, so let me go back and then copy. So C wallpaper, right click, properties, sharing. Then I'll copy this one, back slash DC slash wallpaper. So the back, double backslash DC slash wallpaper. So go back to this, then I'll paste here. Then we need to also add the file name. The mine was unnamed, so I'll bring slash again, then back to the folder. The name is this unnamed, is JPEG, so that's it. You type the way the name is, unnamed .jpeg. Yeah, so the next thing is the star. How do you want it? Center, field, fit, span, stretch. Then we have this. So I'll use fit, or if you want stretch, we can stretch, but I think I'll stick to this one, fit. And then let's see, click on apply and click on OK. Now that we have applied this, the next thing is, so we close this one, go to our command prompt. I'll minimize this one, command prompt, so CMD, and the CMD we type the command GP update space slash force, GP update space slash force. We enter. It's updating, we wait. Computer is successful, then user is also successful. So we can also view the GP result. So we type GP results space /r. Then we have this information, so we go to the, don't forget that the policy, we set it on the user configuration. So when you go to the user profile or the user settings, we can see we have the applied group policy object. We have this one here, which is the ECDEV DEX. So now we have to go to the client and then we see. So we log in. What password? What is the password this account is using? Password. I hope this is it. Try. So let me hoping that this one will work. Hoping that this one will work. It's loading. Good. So this is it. So the policy has been applied. So this one has taken only the middle. When we go back and then we try to adjust it a bit, and then let's see in terms of, let's use the center and see. So I'll go back, edit, we go to user policy, we go to template, we go to desktop, now click on it. I have fit here, so let's change it to center, and then let's see what we can click on apply. Okay, we minimize this one, come back to this one, command prompt, update. Let's update it, and then we try the result to see. Okay, so GP result space / so we still have the apply policy here. Now what we'll do is let's log out and then log in again, and then let's see. Okay, so let me restart this one. Let me restart this one and then see. Okay, so it's done restarting. Let's log in once again, and then let's see the effect. Okay, so we can see that it has changed to what? Center. So this is it. If you want to stretch to, you can also, based on the options that we have under this, under what's the name, the GPO, based on the options that we have under this one, you can just choose the one that you want to, and it will just take effect on that. All right, so this is how we use the GPO to set desktop or wallpaper on client machines. This brings us to the end of today's video. Bye.